guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's yours truly, ZO-ESHAAA. I'm there again today with our next unboxing video. I got to me another Ipsy package. Yay! Look here. You see Ipsy? If I open this and it's for August and not July, me and you are going to have one problem. You understand? Me really are going to cancel my subscription because you don't really have with me. I mean, don't appreciate it. You understand? Anyways, apart from that, let's just jump right on into it. I got a new package. As I explained in my last Ipsy unboxing, there was issues with me getting my packages. So let's just hope that this is what it is. As y'all know, on the front is your personal information. Sorry. Ooh! Okay. Let's open it. Okay, this is the first thing that I see in there. Ipsy Hot Summer Nights. It says the heat is on. We've cranked up the cool on Ipsy.com with the new insider how-to tips, tricks, and videos. Everything you need to know to master your summer beauty. Get more out of your July Glam bag. What up, Ipsy? July. Oh my God. Okay, so this is for July. Dash that way. Oh, August bag was a lot more cuter, but this is cute. This is what the my July bag looked like. It's a little metallic-ish and stuff. But anyways, let's get to what's important, which is what's on the inside. Nothing there, all right. Ooh! And they said they threw in a little extra something in there for me. So anyways, let's see. What's the first thing? The first, ooh, I needed one of these. It's so funny, I was just gonna buy one. This is the Mirabella, is it Bella? Mirabella Magic Marker Eyeliner. Nice. I don't know who Mirabella is, but ooh, can you guys see that? Yes. Ooh, it goes on so nice. Yes. Go to Ipsy. Okay, the next thing is this Thirsty Cleanse Daily Hydrating Cleanser from Glam, Mud to Foam. I think I got something from Glam in my last one. So this is a daily hydrating cleanser. Okay. And then I got something from Tarte. I'm not even a makeup guru and I know this is good. Oh my God, this is a powder. This is a what is something name again? Amazonian clay finishing powder. Me not go open it, but this is what me get. Okay. Wow, what if I think I'm gonna put in there? Trust Fund Beauty. I think they gave me my nail polish the last time. This is nail polish again. And this is No Filter. The one that I got the last time was K-Bye. This one's bigger. What a Ipsy. Okay. Same kind of nudish, pinkish color that I got almost the last time. The other one was a lot lighter. This is cool. I like my nudes. I want to go do my nails too, so I can take this on with me, you know what I'm saying? Okay, the next thing is from Mark Anthony. It's Hydrating Coconut Oil Shea Butter. Sulfate-free, deep nourishing conditioning treatment. Tropical coconut oil, shea butter, and biotin restores dry, damaged hair, adds shine, protects color. Use weekly. So this is for your hair. It says after shampooing, apply treatment generously to wet hair, working through from roots to ends. Leave on for 3 to 7 minutes for maximum benefits. Rinse hair thoroughly for external use. Sample only, not for retail. Okay, Walgreens and Ulta. We don't have that in Canada, people. And then lastly, Makeup Forever. Zoe, you get something from Makeup Forever? Wombo Clot, this is excessive lash mascara. yes, before my camera really cut me off, I got the Excessive Lash Mascara from Makeup Forever. I'm really excited about this because I know that Makeup Forever is a really good brand. And yeah, so I'm really excited to try all these things out. I'm really excited to be collecting all of these things. Hopefully over the next 3 months, they give me enough things that when I leave, I have enough things to turn up with on my vacation. You know what I'm saying? So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys got your July glam bags on time, comment below, let me know what y'all got. Help me learn how to use the products that I've received because y'all know I'm new to this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. And thank you guys as always for watching. And again, I will see you guys next time. Bye.